కొత్త డొనేట్ మరి ఫ్రెష్ నగా కొత్త మరి కాడప్ నగా कस्तो लगाएको ह्युमन्स ऑफ गोवा ये लाइफ है जे दिग्विजय भितर परमिशन ना काढपाक व्हिडिओ
कोणे सांगला परमिशन ना हाय गाइस दिस इज डिगी दिस इज रामा आफ्टर द रिक्वेस्ट that Rama put up for wheelchairs we've got like 5-7
Can you start again?
Sorry?
ते मागीर करा रे पहिले just keep it in that corner, keep there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys, Diggy here, Digvijit Chavan. As soon as I got to know from Rama that there is shortage of wheelchairs, immediately whatever possible from me, I tried to get as many possible of wheelchairs for GMC so that people do not face any problem. And this is from my side. I have received, after I put a post, I received some donation. Of that donation amount, because I don't like to wait for donations because it takes some time. So whatever I receive, I will try and buy more things out of it. But this is all from whatever from my pockets that I have donated just because Rama requested for wheelchairs. So please guys, please follow us, please support us in doing whatever we are doing. And thank you so much for Rama to take care of North Goa, all the GMC things.
Rama, you required a wheelchair and you put up a post. How do you feel that you have got this so that people can benefit?
See, firstly, from the last 2-3 days of time, कंटिन्युअसली 2-3 दीस जाले हांवें कितें फेस केला म्हणजे लोकांनी कितें फेस केला की लोक 2-2 वरां रावचो पडटालो थंयसर आनी 2-2 वरांनी तेजे नंतर तांकां मागीर एक व्हीलचेअर मेळटाली आनी ताका लागून एका घोडांतल्यान दुसऱ्या व्हरान वतना टायम लागतालो सो टुडे वी हॅव गिवन अ कॉल टू एवरी वन आय वूड लायक टू थँक Digvijit and there are a lot of people who have donated and still there are more this which is going to be supposed to coming right now. तेन्ना आनीक खूब येवपाचें आसा. आमकां ऑलरेडी आनीक 7-8 डायरेक्ट ऑलरेडी कॉल्स येयल्ले आसा. आमी डोनेट करपाक रेडी आहा. So there are people, there are all across Goa, even abroad people have given me a call that I want to donate one. So I would like to thank to everyone. This will really benefit the patients right now who is in emergency and जे लोकांक रावचें पडटा पळय तांकां हे एका वार्डार रावपाक पडचो ना. सो हांव तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. थँक यू सो मच फॉर whoever have given a donations of donated the wheelchairs.
And one more time, I will want to say, I have started getting calls and messages for donation. So whatever I receive from the people who want to donate, I will bring it back and give it to Rama. Whatever is right now is from my side, and Rama is also brought to you. So you all will see all the work that we do. Rama Sadat Astana, GMC every day and night. Like no anybody requires oxygen. Rama is the most aggressive person who will somehow or the other bring a cylinder. Whether he'll remove oxygen from himself only and put, but he is the man who will make it happen for you. Thank you so much, Rama.
Thank you, Digvijay.
And,
one more thing, thanks to everyone, whoever is donating in their own way. I know there are some people who cannot come out. There are some people who are having a health issue. They cannot come out, but you can contribute in different ways. And आज आत्ता म्हाका फोन केल्लो की there is a procedure for giving the donated wheelchairs to the dean, and then dean will allocate the vehicle chairs to the required ward. So we will be giving these chairs to the PRO, and from tomorrow onwards, most probably the chairs will be allocated according to the dean's directions.
Okay, thank you so much, guys, for your efforts.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.